Hey boys and girls, this is Word Problem Escape Room Extra Help for Level 1. We're going to start by going over each of the questions and setting up the problems to help you solve them. Now, you may use a calculator on this if you would like to. All right, in question 1, we're going to read it first. A local sandwich shop received an order for 35 turkey sandwiches, 30 chicken sandwiches, and 35 vegetarian sandwiches. If each of the 4 cooks made an equal number of sandwiches, how many did each cook make? First of all, we're going to have to find the total number of sandwiches and then split that up evenly between those 4 cooks. So you're going to start out by adding together 35 plus 30 plus another 35 sandwiches, and then find that total. Once you get that total, you are going to divide that by 4, the 4 cooks, to find out the total number of sandwiches that each of them prepared. You'll select your answer from these choices: 30, 20, 25, or 33 sandwiches. And you'll type your answer here along with the letter that goes with it. Okay, on to question 2. Okay, in question 2, Rick played baseball for 45 minutes, ate lunch for 15 minutes, and played hockey for 45 minutes. How much more time did Rick spend playing sports than he was eating? So we're comparing 2 things here: the number of minutes he used playing for sports compared to the number of minutes he used for eating lunch. And we want to know how much more did he spend playing the sports than he did eating. So first of all, we're going to have to start by sorting that out. So sports, he spent 45 plus 45. That would give me the total amount he spent involved in sports. Now for eating, he only spent 15 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to have to find the total here. 45 plus 45 is 90. And then I'm going to have to subtract 15. And that will tell me the difference between how much time he spent playing sports versus eating. So you'll select your answer from these 4 choices around the question. And then you're going to record your answer here along with the letter that goes with that answer that you chose. Question 3 says, for back to school, Colin needs to buy 5 notebooks for $1.95 each, pencils for 95 cents, and a book bag for $30.30. Colin has $21 and a coupon for $10 off the total. How much more money? Okay, question 3. For back to school, Colin needs to buy 5 notebooks for $1.95 each, pencils for 95 cents each, and a book bag for $30.30. Colin has $21 and a $10 off coupon. How much more money does he need to make the purchase? All right, so the first thing we're going to have to do is find out how much the things that he bought is going to cost him. And some of them have multiple units of those. So we're going to find out how many 5 notebooks at $1.95 each is. And we're going to add that to the 95 cents for the pencils. And then we're going to add the cost of that notebook, that book bag, $30.30. And I'm going to find that total. And that's going to be the total for how much the things he is buying cost. Now he's got a $10 off coupon that I have to consider too. So I'm going to take this total, once I have my total, and I'm going to subtract off that $10 coupon. And then I will have a new total that I'm going to have to pay for. Now, whatever that total is, I'm going to take it and I am going to subtract the $21 that I already have And then that's going to tell me how much more I'm going to need to have to make that purchase. So this will be my final answer. Melissa worked all day. She worked all day Saturday and earned $100. But she only learned half that amount on Sunday by working a half a day. She earned $50 the previous weekend by working one half day. How much more does she need to earn to give her the $250 she needs to buy a new video game? All right, so first of all, I'm going to start by organizing that information. I know that from the previous week that she earned $50 by working on half a day. Then she earned $100 working all day on Saturday. And then she earned another $50 by working a half a day on Sunday. So I'm going to find that total and see how much she's earned so far. And I see she has earned $200. Now, this particular question asks how much more does she need to earn. So I'm going to have to see how much does the game cost, and then I'm going to have to find the difference between that and the $200 in order to answer my question. And again, once you find your answer, you're going to type it in the answer box and put the letter that goes with it. Once you've determined those 4 answers, you're going to go to the next slide. And on this slide, you have a puzzle to solve. And you're going to take the letters that you found, and in the order, you're going to follow those letters line all the way down to the number. And then when you get to that number, you're going to record those digits here. So since you've gotten 4 answers, you'll have 4 digits that you've recorded in a particular order. Okay, boys and girls, I hope that was helpful to help you out with that extra help on those level 1 problems.